Hi guys, and welcome back to my kitchen this morning. Now, I'm gonna whip up some gluten-free, gut-healthy pancakes because I just have a craving for pancakes this morning. Now, I'm always trying to healthify normal recipes because I really believe that on a journey to welcoming wellness into your life, you shouldn't feel deprived, and there's always going to be a healthier option. So having some healthy recipes in your toolkit is really going to set you up for success, and it's really going to set you up to achieve your health goals. Now, everything on this channel is related to gut health, so this recipe is gut healthy and gut friendly. So if you're someone that suffers from leaky gut or any symptoms relating to leaky gut, then this recipe is definitely one to try, because who doesn't love pancakes? Now, this recipe is gut friendly because we're using buckwheat flour and also almond meal. Now, both of those flours are very easy to digest and they're gentle on the gut. Now, this also has arrowroot flour, which is very low glycemic, it's low carb, it's a really great starch to use, and it's very easy to digest as well. And it does have some prebiotic benefits to it. It does actually benefit the bacteria in your gut. And it also includes things like psyllium husks, which is a nice amount of fiber. It's going to help everything keep moving. Now, a lot of the times gluten-free products are very heavy and hard to digest, so adding extra fiber like psyllium husks is just going to help along the way. Now, I also do use monk fruit sweetener. Now, you can control how much sweetener you use in this and what toppings you use, but the monk fruit sweetener is great. It's one of our Welcoming Wellness approved sweeteners because it's very low glycemic, it's very easy to digest, and it is not harmful on your health like other sweeteners. Now, you can use stevia if you have it. I'm just not really a big fan of stevia. It leaves a very bitter flavour and it always kind of leaves a bit of a weird aftertaste to me. But I do find monk fruit sweetener is a really, really great alternative. So let's dive into the video and show you how to make some gluten-free, gut-healthy pancakes for breakfast.
Alright, so let's make some pancakes. We have 1/4 of a cup of buckwheat flour, 1/4 of a cup of almond flour, a teaspoon of psyllium husks, a teaspoon of arrowroot flour, and a teaspoon of baking powder. I've used 1 tablespoon of monk fruit sweetener, a dash of vanilla, an egg, and 1/2 a cup of plant-based milk. And I have used coconut milk because that's all I have in the fridge, but you can use almond milk, whatever you've got on hand. So you want to whisk that all together, and now it's combined, you want to add a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Now, this is going to create a nice fluffy pancake, so just mix that through and then you are ready to cook your pancakes. So you want to use a non-stick pan. This pan's really, really good, so I don't need to use any oil, but obviously you want to use a little bit of oil if your pan is not as good and non-stick as this one. And it's a pancake, so you want to cook it on low on both sides. So wait until you see some bubbles and then you're ready to flip. Now, this mixture will make about 4 pancakes, and then you are ready to top with maybe some berries or some coconut yogurt and enjoy.
And if you did like this video, please give us a thumbs up. It really does help the channel. And also subscribe if you want more gut healthy or healthy videos like this.